Austin here from Currie Motors, and behind me is a 2022 Expedition XLT. Today we're going to talk about why this vehicle is the best bang for your buck. So the 2022 XLT Expedition, why is this the best bang for your buck? Well, for the price point, you're about $16,000 less than the next trim level for comparable options. On the exterior here, we do have 360-degree cameras. You'll see them each mirror, rear and front. You do get the upgraded 20-inch wheels, and you have all of the parking sensors all the way around the vehicle. Now, this vehicle is in dark matter gray, which is a new color for this year. It's a very sharp, darker gray. It's a little bit darker than the carbonized gray. As we come around here, you see you have the built-in running boards. Now, if you do jump up to that Limited or the King Ranch or the Platinum, you will get the power running boards. But for the price difference versus the options you get inside of here, these running boards are very sufficient and very nice. Looking in the back, you do have that little pop-up right here, where you can pop the glass, have this open, and access your storage here. You have a power opening tailgate there. Now you do have the Max Trailer Tow Package on this one. Max Trailer Tow Package comes with the Pro Power backup assist. You have your hitch underneath there with the hitch cover. Looking here in the trunk space, it is all power. So on this XLT, you get the same thing as on the Limiteds with the power back and power second row. So for instance, second row, all you do is tap a button, lays it down. Now, the second row on all of the trim levels are only a down automatic. It won't come back up, but the third row is down and up automatically. And you'll be able to notice here in the third row, there is options to move that seat forward and slide it up or lay it down from the third row, so you can have your back three guests have an easy exit. There is also a 12 volt and USBs on each side in the back here for the third row. One button close here. Now coming around, we have that capless fuel system. One tap opens it up, capless fuel, local here to Frankfort. And we still have those built-in running boards. I like it, it's nice. It is one tap touch, you can see with the ridges there. One tap touch to unlock or lock the vehicle from all four doors. We're going to go here in the second row. So here in the second row, you do have captain's chairs. Captain's chairs are really convenient, really nice. It allows easy access to that third row. By a pull of a handle here, you can flip this chair forward and slide it forward. You have an easy access to the third row, or you can just lay it down. Now, as that seat moves forward, there is a handle underneath. You can pull up and slide the seat forward and back as you need. There is a twin panel sunroof in here, which is nice for all three rows to be able to see. Now moving up to the front, once again, you do have that tap technology there. You have the Ford door co-pad. You have the unlock, lock, auto start from your Ford Pass app, and then you also have the key fob to allow you to unlock and lock the vehicle. So let's take a look on the inside here. Inside here, with the special edition package, the Pro Trailer backup, the twin panel sunroof, all added as options, you're essentially building the Limited for substantially less money. So let's look at all the tech and go over some of the differences that you would get if you did upgrade to the Limited or the Platinum or the King Ranch. So starting over here, you do have those memory seats. You get the three options. They'll go inside with your steering wheel, your mirrors, and your seats, so all three drivers could have their own seating, steering, and viewing settings. You have power adjustable pedals for forward and back. You can lower the headrests in the third row, open the trunk. You do have auto high beams with auto headlights. As far as safety features, you have auto hold, you have your adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, lane centering. You do have Ford Assistant, so there are a ton of safety features, and all of the high-end tech is in here. Now, one thing I did miss is going to be those collapsible mirrors. These could be set to auto or manual. So if they're set to auto, when you lock the car, they will close in. Now, as we move over, one thing that you will notice the difference between this XLT fully loaded special edition and all of the other trim levels above it is going to be the screen. So the screen on the other ones is the large jumbo screen that goes vertically up and down. It's a lot more tech intensive, a lot more touchy. Here we're going to have a lot more buttons that do all the same thing. It's just you have things you can touch and feel here instead of just on a screen. Now the screen size is nice. It is larger than normal. I think it's a great fit here in the Expedition. It's similar to the screen that you'll see in the E-Transit, but the options are totally different. Here, if you want to learn more about deep diving into the center stack, check out our center stack video. To the left here, we do have our Pro Trailer Backup. So Pro Trailer Backup, when you have your trailer, boat, whatever you want on the back, if you want to back it up and you forget left is right and right is left, all you have to do is let go of the steering wheel, control the brake, and turn this left or right, and it'll spin the steering wheel accordingly for you. Now over here's options. I said you do have that 360-degree camera, so you can check them out here. It's currently showing the front, but you can check all of your views out, the whole front, the tri-panel, the trailer hitch, and the back. And then you have your 360-degree over there. You have heated and cooled seats for both the driver and the passenger, and a heated steering wheel. These are all options that are typically not on the XLT, which are really nice to have. Down in here, you do have a wireless charging pad, some USBs, and a little bit of storage. As we look here to the center cluster, we do have our gears. As far as the drive modes, let's take a look at what there is. So we have normal, slippery, sand, mud rut, eco, sport, and tow haul. Each of these settings are going to change your four-wheel drive settings, your traction control settings, brake response, all of those different settings. You have hill descent control. Under here, you do have some cup holders, which you can keep closed to have a nice sleek look. You have a 12 volt for your passenger here, and another little Super Duty storage box there. In the center, you have a lockable storage unit that has deep storage. As you can see, I have some paperwork in there. But deep storage, it is lockable, so you can put all your personal belongings in there, and no one will be able to access them. From here, you can see all the space you have in the back. This is a 7-passenger vehicle. If you get the bench seat, you can have the option for an 8-passenger. We do have our built-in garage door opener. We have our twin panel sunroof controls up here. So you can open the sunroof, close the curtain if you needed it closed to block some of the sun. We do have some sensors in here. So if someone reached in the sunroof and you had it open, it would set off the panic alarm. So that way they would, be scared away and wouldn't steal your items. We do have a sunglass holder here. The seats are a nice leather. So you're getting the XLT, but you are getting the leather in it. It's a quality, nice, perforated leather, so you can have heated and cooled seats, which is always nice. It won't be here long, that is for sure. And like I said, for the best bang for your buck, you're getting all of the options of a Limited without a couple of the nice luxury features, different leather, different running boards, a different center stack screen, a couple little other things. But other than that, it has your heated and cooled seats, it has your heated steering wheel, it has everything that you would want as far as safety features and tech in a vehicle. Right now, Currie Motors here in Frankfort, come check it out.